Hi everyone, welcome back to Omi's Home Cooking. Today we are making Khaja. It's a very famous sweet dish of Odisha. This is a dry sweet with full of layers dipped in sugar syrup and it's prepared using only few ingredients which you can easily find in your kitchen. It's very similar to badusha or balushahi in its texture, but it's completely different in its shape that give it completely different taste. And if you will enjoy this recipe, then please don't forget to hit the like button. And if you're new to our channel, then please subscribe us for upcoming recipes. So let's start making khaja. To make khaja, first of all, take 2 cups of plain flour in a bowl. Add a pinch of salt to enhance the flavors and mix them well. Once it's mixed well, then add 4 tablespoons of ghee or oil in it. Mix them well. Crumble the mixture to mix it properly, and it should come together like this. If it's not coming together, then add 1 more tablespoon of ghee or oil in it. When it starts coming together, that's a sign that you have got good amount of ghee or oil in it for the flaky and crispy texture. Then start adding water a little by little to knead a tight dough. Dough has now formed. Now cover it with wet muslin cloth or a cling film and let it rest for about 15 minutes. While we are waiting, let's prepare sugar syrup. Take 2 cups of sugar and half a cup of water. Or we need water just to cover the sugar. Once it's warmed up, then add a quarter teaspoon of cardamom powder and 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice. Keep cooking on medium to high flame to get one string consistency. To check the consistency, dip the spoon in the syrup and let it cool down for few seconds. And then check it using your index finger and thumb tip. The syrup should make one string. As you can see that I'm getting one string, that means sugar syrup is now ready. And turn the heat off. Before we get back to the dough, we need to make a paste. Take 3 tablespoons of ghee and add 3 to 4 tablespoons of plain flour in it. Mix them well. That will help the khaja to get the separated layers. It's now mixed and ready. So now we can get back to the dough. Knead the dough for about 1 to 2 minutes and divide it into 2 equal portions. Make sure to keep the second portion covered and moist. Place the dough ball on a clean surface and roll it with a rolling pin to give it a thin, square or rectangular shape. Keep spreading flour on the surface and on the dough and roll it as thin as possible. As you can see, I've got really thin layer. Now I'm going to spread half of the paste on it. Instead of making paste, you can also spread ghee or butter on it first and then you can sprinkle some flour on it. You can choose whichever way you prefer. Start rolling it from one side and make sure to roll it very tight. Keep removing the air gaps if any. If it will be loose, then it will start opening in the oil while frying. At the end, spread some water and seal it properly. Roll it gently to make it even tighter. Use your fingers or your palm to roll it. Once done, then cut it into about 1-inch long pieces and slightly flatten them. Use a rolling pin to roll them gently. It should not be too thick or too thin. Prepare all of them before you start frying. Once ready, then start frying khaja in the oil. Keep the flame from low to medium And don't fry them on high flame, otherwise khaja will get fried from outside quickly and you won't get crispy layers. Keep frying until it turns golden brown. As you can see that it has now turned very nice golden brown, and you can see all the layers as well. That means it's ready. And take them out of the oil and dip them in the sugar syrup for a few seconds. Take them out of the syrup to let them cool down and enjoy. You can store them in an airtight container as well. These are really crispy, crunchy, and so delicious. Just using these few tips, you can make delicious khaja at home for any occasion. Must try and let me know in the comment section. And if you have enjoyed this recipe video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and to subscribe our channel. Please make sure to click on the bell icon to get notifications of all the upcoming videos. You can also choose to watch our next video or a playlist from the screen, and to subscribe our channel, click on the icon on the screen or use a link mentioned in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay connected, stay safe.